The 2002 Gujarat riots have been a subject of intense scrutiny and criticism in India for nearly 2 decades. Recently, a BBC documentary titled India, the Modi Question sparked a controversy examining the riots and the role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was the Chief Minister of Gujarat at the time of riots. Welcome to the All Explainer video with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will elaborate on all the developments on this controversy so far. Firstly, we see a public interest litigation petition which was filed by ML Sharma before the Supreme Court of India, challenging the central government's ban on documentary. The PIL claimed that the ban was arbitrary and unconstitutional, and also sought an investigation into those responsible for failing to contain the riots. The plea was mentioned before Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and was agreed to be listed on February 6, Monday. Subsequently, Advocate Prashant Bhushan, Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra, and journalist N. Ram approached the Supreme Court challenging the central government's order to block the documentary. The plea file stated that the documentary-related tweets were protected under Article 9(1)(a) of the Constitution of India and do not fall under the restriction of specified Article 19(2) or the restriction imposed under Section 69A of the IT Act 2000. In response to which, a second PIL petition was filed before the Supreme Court seeking total ban on British Broadcasting Corporation for airing the documentary. The petition was filed by Vishnu Gupta, president of right-wing organization Hindu Sena, and Birendra Kumar Singh, a farmer. The petition claimed that the BBC has been biased against India and the Indian government sought an investigation into the alleged anti-India reporting. However, the Supreme Court on Thursday refused to pass any direction to allow an urgent hearing in PIL petition seeking total ban on BBC. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud told the advocate to mention the matter the next day. The Supreme Court on Friday sought the response of central government on the plea challenging the government orders to block. A bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and M.M. Sundaresh, however, declined to pass any interim orders in the matter and posted the case for further consideration in April. The court also directed the government to produce all records on the next hearing date. What are the questions of laws raised in this entire controversy? The questions of law raised in the controversy surrounding the ban of the BBC documentary India, the Modi Question relate to freedom of speech and expression, censorship, and restriction imposed by the central government. The legal questions include the constitutionality of the ban. The main issue is whether the ban of the documentary by central government is constitutional and in compliance with the fundamental right of freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. Secondly, restrictions under Article 19(2) of the Constitution. The petitioners argue that the contents of documentary do not fall under the restriction specified in Article 19(2) of the Constitution, which permits the restriction of free speech for the reasons of public order, decency, and morality. Thirdly, restrictions under Information Technology Act of 2000. The ban on documentary has been imposed under the provisions of Section 69A of the IT Act, which empowers the central government to block information that it deems to be in violation with the interest of state or public order. The petitioners argue that the restriction imposed by the government under this section are not in compliance with the provision of the IT Act. Bias against India and Indian government. The petition filed by Vishnu Gupta and Birendra Kumar Singh alleges that BBC has been biased against India and the Indian government and that the documentary is the part of this anti-India lobby. Investigation into those responsible for 2002 Gujarat riots. The petitioner also seek an investigation into the role of those responsible for 2002 Gujarat riots and role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was then Chief Minister of Gujarat during the riots. The Supreme Court's decision to seek government's response has sparked a fresh debate on freedom of speech and the role of media in India. The outcome of this case would have far-reaching implications for the future of journalism in India. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story. Thank you for watching our video. To read in detail about these developments, do visit our website. Link is in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.